Hello and welcome to today's episode. Today we are going to learn how to convert decimal numbers into percentage form. Converting decimal numbers to percentage. Okay, so when you are given a decimal number such as 0.2, how do you convert this into a percentage form? That is what we are going to learn. In the normal sense, what you are supposed to do is to multiply this very decimal number by 100 because the percentage is 100. You multiply this by 100 and add the percentage sign to it. That is this times 100. Then the answer that you get, you add the percentage sign to plus the percentage sign. This is what you are supposed to do. However, I think this is going to take you a very long time to do. So we are going about this with the simplest method. This is what you are going to do. When you are given this is 0.2. All you need to do is to move your decimal point, which is here, to the right hand side 2 times. So let's do that. We have 1 and 2. So our decimal point is going to be here, and we are going to fill the spaces. So we have one space to fill. Therefore, we are going to be having 20. Your decimal point is supposed to come here, but you will not add the decimal point. Then instead, you add your percentage sign. So 0.2 moving to percentage will give us 20%. Isn't this easy? Let's try another example. Okay. Example number 2. We have 0.052. You want to move this into percentage form. Okay. What do? As I said earlier, the simplest method to go about this is to move your decimal point 2 times to the right hand side. This is your decimal point. So we are moving it 2 times to this direction. Okay, so let's go about it. We have 1, then you have 2. This time around, you realize that your decimal point is going to be between 5 and 2. So your decimal point is between 5 and 2. This is giving you 5.2%. Okay, this is giving you 5.2%. You are bringing the 2 because it's a significant number. Now, get ready. We are going to solve few examples. I'll write the questions on the board. You pause the videos, solve them, and send the answers into the comment section for marking. Okay. Let's go about these examples. All right. Welcome back from the break. So you are supposed to solve these questions and submit your answers to the comment section for me to mark. The first question is given as 0.45. Okay, 0.45. The second one is 0.01. The third one is 0.456. The fourth one is 0.2345. The fifth one is 1.32. And the sixth one is 3.05. Okay, we are converting these numbers into percentage forms. Okay, converting these numbers to percentage form. Pause the video, solve them, and then we'll come back to solve all of them together. Okay, welcome back from the break. So you're going to solve these ones. As I said earlier, I said when you have something like this, you want to convert to percentage. All you need to do is to move the decimal point, which is in between the numbers, 2 times to the right hand side. So when you take the decimal point in the first question, all you have to do is to move it 2 times. So you have 1 and 2. Okay, there's no place for us to fill after the decimal point, and there's no need. So what you do is that your first one is giving you 45, then you add the percentage. So the first one is 45%. 0.45 into percentage form will give you 45%. Then the second one, we have 0.01 that we are moving. So I am moving my decimal point 2 times. It's here, and I'm moving it 1 and twice again. So I should be having 0.1. And any 0 is not relevant if it is not between numbers, definitely. So this is not important that much. So over here, you should be having 1%. After the point, there's no need to bring a number. And before the 1, since there is no other significant number here, you're just going to ignore this one. Your answer is 1%. I am believing that you're getting them all correctly. Let's go to number 3. With the number 3, we are going to move the decimal point 2 times again. So the decimal point is here, we are moving it twice. You have it once and twice. So you should be having 45. Then after the point, 6 is a real number, okay, a significant number. So you're going to bring the point 6 and you add your percentage sign. If this is correct for you, indicate it in the comment section with a thumb up. Okay. Question number 4. The same procedure, moving it twice. You are here, you're moving once, twice. So you should be having 23 points. The two real numbers, which are 45. So you have 23.45%. Question number 5. Over here, we have 1.32. We are having a real number here instead of zeros that we used to have. What do? Don't get panic. It is the same thing. So we are moving the decimal point again 2 times to the right hand side. So I am moving it from here once, twice. Okay. So after my points, I can write 0, but it is not relevant. So therefore, we are going to bring the 1 here. Definitely, you're going to add it. Then the 2, which is what? 3, 2, and then you add your percentage. So 1.32 will give us 132%. Okay, if you are able to solve it, I believe you'll be able to get this one also correctly. The last part, we should be having the decimal point move twice. So we have once and twice. So we have 305%. If you get all of them correctly, indicate the marks you have gotten so far. Thank you so much for being part of today's episode. I'll see you again in a